Yeah, as you can see, there's a bearing that needed to be removed, but it's very hard when you gotta remove a car part when you're outside in a private parking, not the right tools in hand. The job is very difficult, but still, with vice grip spirit, thanks to the vice grip spirit, I was able to go as far as possible. I mean, I didn't go that far, but still, just keep watching the video. It looks like I don't know what I'm doing, and at the same time, I know what I'm doing. All right, but just watch the video and enjoy. I'll be able to comment when needed. And in the same time, I hope it sparks a few ideas on your side, whatever you're dealing with that type of problem or not. What I'm doing right now is try to pull the hub, the rear wheel hub, because behind the hub hides the bearing. But I think there was a default in those models when they ran when they have high mileage. The rear bearing and the hub, it heated so much that it stuck its welded together. But like I said, I'm trying to pull out this hub the best way that I can with no tools or with no resources available. next day I had to find an idea to extract the hub because I can't afford to buy an extractor. So I'm going to use a bike attachment chain and an old engine block as a mass to pull back the stock bearing. That engine block, you could find it in my last the other video in the past where I dismounted in my living room. It was an adventure, so watch me go through the same with this stock hub. Finally had the chance to buy me a used extractor, but as you can see, it's a very old extractor. I think with this one I will be able to make a miracle at least.